Hello, Data Pros, and welcome back to another exciting video in our Databricks learning series. In our previous videos, we explored how to ingest, transform, and visualize data. Now, it's time to shift our focus to the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. This video serves as an introduction, where we'll explore the basics of artificial intelligence and its various subdomains, including machine learning. All right, let's get started. Intelligence is something we usually associate with living creatures, especially humans, who are often seen as the most intelligent of all. When we say intelligence, we mean the ability to see and understand the world, think logically, communicate using language, generate new content like text, images, music, and videos, make decisions based on current situations, learn from experiences, and adapt over time. Generally, anything created by humans rather than occurring naturally is called artificial. Likewise, artificial intelligence is developed by humans, which is why it is referred to as artificial. Essentially, it's a combination of computer systems and programs designed to mimic various aspects of human intelligence, such as sensing, understanding, learning over time, making independent decisions, and communicating in human language, etc. Artificial intelligence is a broad umbrella term that includes several subdomains, each specializing in a specific aspect of human intelligence. For instance, computer vision enables machines to see and interpret the visual world, much like how humans use their eyes. This technology can perform tasks like recognizing facial expressions and detecting emotions, such as happiness or sadness. In real-world applications, computer vision can be used in customer sentiment analysis. It can also be applied in retail stores to automatically bill customers for the products they pick, eliminating the need for a traditional checkout process. This helps businesses improve their services and enhance customer satisfaction. Another application of computer vision is vehicle license plate recognition, which is used to identify and read license plates for purposes such as toll collection or security monitoring. Next, let's talk about natural language processing, or NLP, which enables machines to understand and communicate in human language. This is the technology behind virtual assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. When you speak to these systems, NLP allows them to interpret your voice and respond appropriately. For example, when you ask Siri to set an alarm or play music, it's NLP that helps understand your request. Then there's machine learning, or ML, which allows machines to learn from data and improve over time. Unlike traditional programming, where you must manually code every behavior, machine learning enables systems to identify patterns and make predictions. A great example is Netflix, where the platform uses your viewing history to recommend movies and TV shows. The more you watch, the better Netflix's suggestions become, thanks to the learning capabilities of machine learning. Generative AI is another exciting field. This area involves creating new, original content, such as artwork, music, or even text, based on patterns learned from data. For example, AI can generate realistic images or even write a poem based on your requirements, making it a creative tool for artists, designers, and content creators. Autonomous systems are another significant domain of AI, which are machines that can perceive surroundings and take actions on their own, without needing human intervention. Think about self-driving cars or drones that can navigate and perform tasks automatically. These systems use a combination of AI techniques to assess their environment, adapt to changes, and make decisions independently. We've covered some key domains here, but as AI continues to evolve, many more domains are emerging, driving innovation across industries. That's all for today. We'll be covering more exciting topics on AI and ML in our upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe and stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching.